Get ready. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Start. The father and mother of the deceased filed the instant claim petition under Section 166 of the MACT, claiming compensation for the death of the deceased who died in a motor vehicular accident on 23/12/2017 involving vehicle bearing registration number AS01GC 1151 truck, which was insured with the opposite party number 3 Oriental Insurance Company Limited. The facts giving rise to this case is that on 23/12/2017 at about 11 p.m. at night, deceased along with his friend was coming from Lakhimpur towards Gogamukh on foot. When they reached at a Tinali, at that time, a vehicle bearing registration number AS01GC 1151 truck, hereinafter referred as offending vehicle, which was coming in a high speed and also in a rash and negligent manner, knocked the deceased down on the road. As a result, he sustained grievous injuries over different parts of his body. Soon after the accident, local people assembled there and recovered him and forwarded him to civil hospital. As his condition was serious, the doctor of civil hospital referred him to GNRC Hospital, Guwahati. Immediately, he was taken to Guwahati and got admitted at GNRC Hospital as indoor patient. In course of treatment as indoor patient at GNRC Hospital, he succumbed to the injuries on 28/12/2017. Thereafter, postmortem examination upon the dead body was conducted at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Guwahati. After postmortem examination, the dead body was taken to his house and funeral was followed. Regarding the accident, a case was registered with Gogamukh Police Station, White Gogamukh PS case number 12/2018 under sections 279, 338, 304 A IPC. The opposite party number 1, the driver of the offending vehicle, did not contest the case and the case was proceeded ex parte against him. The opposite party number 3, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, the insurer of the offending vehicle, in its written statement, besides denying all the abetments made in the claim petition, stated that the compensation claimed by the claimant side is excessive, exaggerated, and having no real basis. In the written statement, the insurance company denied the accident and put the claimant side in strict proof of the same. The insurance company further stated that it would not be liable to pay any compensation until and unless it is proved that the driver of the offending vehicle had the valid driving license and the conditions of the insurance policy were not violated by the owner of the offending vehicle. The opposite party side did not adduce any rebuttal evidence denying the death of the deceased in the vehicular accident involving the offending vehicle. Even the opposite party number 1, the driver of the offending vehicle, who had personal knowledge regarding the accident, did not contest the case and the case was proceeded ex parte against him. For computing the loss of dependency, the age of the deceased is to be taken into consideration as per guidelines of the Honorable Apex Court in Special Leave Petition (Civil) number 25590 of 2014. In the case of National Insurance Company Limited versus Pranay Sethi and others, reported in 2017 SEJ 2700. In the claim petition, the age of the deceased at the time of his death has been mentioned as 21 years. The claimant in his evidence did not mention the age of the deceased. In Exhibit 4, the post-mortem examination report of the deceased, his age has not been mentioned. No documentary evidence has been submitted by the claimant in respect of the age of the deceased. In such a situation, I assume the age of the deceased at the time of his death was in the age group of 26 to 30 years, with the age of the deceased in the age group of 26 to 30 years. The proper multiplier would be 17 as per guidelines of the Honorable Apex Court in Sarla Verma case. That the offending vehicle bearing registration number AS01 GC1151 wind bracket truck at the time of accident was duly insured with opposite party number 3 Oriental Insurance Company Limited was not in dispute. As such, the opposite party number 3 Oriental Insurance Company Limited will have to satisfy the award. Stop.